Thank you for choosing CURT for your most important towing products. Did you know the Echo is one of the best-selling brake controllers on the market? Whether you're a seasoned towing expert or brand new to the world of towing, having the right information is essential to getting the job done safely and effectively. One thing is certain: safety is the #1 concern. The Echo brake controller is user-friendly, but setting it up correctly is critical to ensuring it functions properly. In this video, we'll be identifying the proper steps to successfully pair and connect the Echo to your mobile device and to your towing setup. With your new Echo mobile brake controller in hand, take a look at the spring-loaded door of the Echo. You will find a PIN number. You will need this PIN to successfully connect the Echo to the OneControl Auto app. Write this PIN number down for reference when we begin the pairing process. Now take a look at the end of the Echo that you will plug into your vehicle's 7-way. Take notice, there is an alignment tab that determines how the Echo is inserted into the vehicle. Orientate Echo and align the alignment tab with the vehicle's 7-way receptacle and insert Echo. Go ahead and plug in your trailer's 7-way wiring harness, orientated correctly, into the other end of the Echo. Once connected, Echo has a small LED light that will illuminate specific colors that indicate the status of its current function. No visible illuminated light means Echo has no power. A flashing green light on Echo means you're ready to pair Echo to the OneControl Auto app. The proper and correct connection sequence is vehicle first, trailer second. This process is crucial to the success of Echo functioning properly. Remember, truck first, trailer second. A blue light flashing on Echo means Echo has power, but no trailer has been detected. If this occurs after you have connected your trailer's 7-way harness to Echo, you may have an electrical issue or mechanical issue on the trailer. For some reason, if there isn't a green light on the Echo flashing, you will need to confirm you have plugged in Echo to the vehicle's 7-way receptacle correctly and plugged the trailer harness correctly to Echo. If these connections are correct, connection issues can be resolved by cleaning electrical contacts and applying dielectric grease and verifying the vehicle's 7-way connector has 12-volt power. If you still don't have a green flashing light on Echo, you will need to check the vehicle's 7-way receptacle for 12-volt power. We recommend using our 7-way electrical tester, part number 58272, for quick and easy confirmation that 12 volts power is at the vehicle's 7-way receptacle. We also recommend taking your truck and trailer to a respectable service shop to help you determine and fix if any power issues are suspected. Now you can go to the app marketplace of your choice and download the OneControl Auto app. The OneControl Auto app is how you will pair, set up, and control your Echo. Once downloaded, open the app, agree to the legal obligations. From there, you can choose to create a new account. Once on the home screen, you can now pair the Echo brake controller to the app. Pairing the Echo mobile brake controller has to be done within the OneControl Auto app, not directly to your mobile device. This is the #1 pairing issue. It is a subtle but important difference that can cause issues. Make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth service is turned on, and make sure only one mobile device is nearby while pairing to the Echo. More than one mobile device within range and with Bluetooth service can cause Bluetooth connectivity issues with Echo. Once you click Pair Device, you will need to grant notification permissions. Once granted, the OneControl Auto app will search for your Echo device. Only nearby Echo devices will be found. Select your Echo from the list. Click Connect and enter your Echo's PIN number when prompted. Enter the correct PIN number to identify your Echo. The PIN number is located on the inside of the spring-loaded door on the Echo. This door is where you plug in your trailer's wiring harness. Once the PIN has been entered, your Echo is now paired with the OneControl Auto app. Once you have successfully paired your mobile device to Echo, a solid green light will be visible on Echo. If you have paired incorrectly and are experiencing connectivity issues, or you have paired the Echo to your mobile device's Bluetooth service, you must start over. This means forgetting and unpairing the Echo from your mobile device's recognized Bluetooth devices, clearing cache and data from the OneControl Auto app, deleting the app and any backups, and re-downloading and reinstalling the OneControl Auto app. Be mindful of how you are connecting to Echo. Pair the Echo within the OneControl Auto app. Some folks have experienced the green wheel of death. This is where the app tries to pair with Echo and gets timed out while showing a spinning green wheel. This can be caused by having more than one mobile device too close to Echo while pairing. If two cell phones have their Bluetooth service enabled and Echo is searching for a mobile device to connect to, this can cause problems. Make sure only one mobile device with its Bluetooth service enabled is near Echo when trying to pair. Also, make sure you are standing near Echo so that it is in range of your mobile device's Bluetooth service. Let's review what we've learned about resolving connection and pairing issues with Echo. First, pay attention to how you install Echo into your vehicle's 7-way connector and use the alignment tabs. This goes for plugging in your trailer wiring harness too. Remember, the correct connection sequence for Echo is truck first, trailer second. Once connected, Echo has a small LED light that will illuminate specific colors that correspond to the status of its current function. No visible illuminated light means Echo has no power. A flashing green light on Echo means you're ready to pair Echo to the OneControl Auto app. A blue light flashing on Echo means Echo has power, but no trailer has been detected. If this occurs after you have connected your trailer's 7-way harness to Echo, you may have an electrical issue or mechanical issue on the trailer. Connection issues can be resolved by cleaning electrical contacts and applying dielectric grease and verifying the vehicle's 7-way connector has 12-volt power. Identify your Echo's unique PIN number to successfully pair to the OneControl Auto app. Make sure you are pairing via Bluetooth to the OneControl Auto app and not to your mobile device's Bluetooth service. This is the #1 issue when pairing. Once you have successfully paired your mobile device to Echo, a solid green light will be visible on Echo. For more troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more support videos, or feel free to contact CURT's technical support team. Always tow safely.